Venezuela, a country bathed in sunshine, is a land where the golden rays of the sun kiss the earth with a warmth that is both inviting and invigorating. This South American gem, with its diverse and stunning landscapes, offers a visual feast that captivates the soul and ignites the imagination. Adorned with breathtaking landscapes, Venezuela possesses an allure that is both enchanting and mesmerizing. From the rolling hills and verdant valleys to the expansive plains and pristine beaches, every corner of this country tells a story of natural splendor and beauty. From the majestic peaks of the Andes Mountains, where the air is crisp and the views are awe-inspiring, to the rugged terrain that challenges even the most seasoned adventurers, the Andes stand as a testament to the raw and untamed beauty of Venezuela's highlands. To the lush greenery of the Amazon rainforest, a place teeming with life and vibrant ecosystems, its natural beauty is undeniable. The Amazon, with its dense foliage and diverse wildlife, is a sanctuary of biodiversity and a vital part of the planet's ecological balance. The warmth of its people, their infectious laughter, and their unwavering spirit further enhance the country's charm. Venezuelans are known for their hospitality, their joy in the simple pleasures of life, and their ability to find happiness even in the face of adversity. Yet beneath this vibrant facade lies a complex reality. The juxtaposition of modernity and tradition, wealth and poverty, creates a landscape of stark contrasts. Modern buildings stand next to slums, and the bustling energy of urban life is often shadowed by the struggles of daily existence. Venezuela is a land of contrasts, grappling with profound economic and social challenges. The crowded markets, filled with the hustle and bustle of daily commerce, are a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of its people, who strive to make ends meet in a challenging economic climate. Despite the hardships, the Venezuelan people have not allowed adversity to extinguish their vibrant spirit. They come together, working hand in hand to overcome obstacles and build a better future for themselves and their families. They navigate daily life with resilience and resourcefulness, finding strength in their families, communities, and cultural heritage. The sense of community is strong, and the bonds of family and friendship provide a support system that is both comforting and empowering. Their stories are a testament to the indomitable human spirit, showcasing the power of hope, determination, and the deep-rooted love for their homeland. Each face tells a story of perseverance, each smile a beacon of hope, and each act of kindness a reminder of the enduring strength of the human spirit. The cultural heritage of Venezuela is rich and diverse, with traditions that have been passed down through generations. From the vibrant rhythms of traditional dances to the colorful celebrations of cultural festivals, the spirit of Venezuela is alive and thriving. Venezuelan cuisine, with its unique flavors and culinary traditions, is a reflection of the country's diverse cultural influences. Sharing a meal is an important part of Venezuelan life, bringing people together to celebrate and enjoy the bounty of their land. The children of Venezuela, with their boundless energy and joyful spirits, represent the hope and potential of the future. Their laughter and playfulness are a reminder of the simple joys of life and the promise of a brighter tomorrow. As the sun sets over the Venezuelan landscape, casting a golden glow over the mountains, forests, and plains, there is a sense of peace and tranquility. It is a moment to reflect on the beauty of the land and the strength of its people, and to look forward with hope and optimism for the future. The Venezuelan flag, waving proudly in the breeze, is a symbol of hope and resilience. It represents the spirit of a nation that, despite its challenges, continues to strive for a better future. It is a reminder that, no matter the obstacles, the heart and soul of Venezuela remain strong and unbroken. Venezuela, a land of contrasts, is a place of incredible beauty and profound challenges. It is a country where the spirit of its people shines brightly, illuminating the path forward with hope, determination, and an unwavering love for their homeland. As we journey through its landscapes and stories, we are reminded of the enduring strength and resilience of the human spirit. And so, as we take one last look at this beautiful land, we carry with us the stories of its people, the beauty of its landscapes, and the hope for a brighter future. Venezuela, a land of contrasts, a land of beauty, a land of hope. Number 2. The Venezuelan economy has been plagued by hyperinflation, rendering the local currency, the bolivar, almost worthless. Basic necessities, once readily available, have become scarce and exorbitantly priced. Supermarkets often have empty shelves, forcing people to spend countless hours queuing for essential goods. The erosion of purchasing power has left many struggling to afford even the most basic necessities. The scarcity extends beyond food. Medicines, hygiene products, and other essential items are often in short supply. This chronic shortage has had a devastating impact on healthcare, education, and overall quality of life.
Number 3. We have learned to make do with what we have. In our small kitchen, we gather around to prepare the simplest of meals. Sometimes it's just rice and beans, other times it's even less. But every meal is made with love and shared with gratitude. The act of cooking together brings us closer, reminding us of the strength we find in unity. There are days when we go to bed hungry, but we always make sure to share whatever little food we have. It's not just about filling our stomachs, it's about filling our hearts with the warmth of togetherness. Even in the face of scarcity, we find ways to celebrate life, to laugh, and to cherish the moments we have with each other. The children's laughter at the dinner table, despite the small portions, is a testament to our resilience and hope.
Maria's story resonates with countless Venezuelans who have been forced to make heartbreaking sacrifices to provide for their families. She wakes up every day with the weight of uncertainty, yet she faces each challenge with unwavering determination. Her eyes tell a story of struggle, but also of an unbreakable spirit. Maria, like many others, has learned to find joy in the little things, to hold on to hope even when the future seems bleak. Despite the hardships, the Venezuelan people have not lost their capacity for compassion and solidarity. In every corner of the community, you can see acts of kindness and generosity. Neighbors come together to support one another, sharing not just food but also stories, laughter, and tears. This sense of solidarity is a lifeline, a beacon of light in the darkest of times. They share what little they have with their neighbors, drawing strength from their collective resilience. The community kitchens, where everyone contributes what they can, are a symbol of this unity. Here, people find not just nourishment, but also a sense of belonging and purpose. The act of giving, even when one has so little, is a powerful testament to the human spirit. The bonds forged through shared adversity have created a profound sense of community. These connections are more than just survival mechanisms. They are the foundation of a hopeful future. In the face of ongoing challenges, the Venezuelan people continue to stand together, proving that even in the most difficult times, the human spirit can shine brightly. Number 4. In the face of economic collapse, a barter system has emerged as a lifeline for many Venezuelans. People exchange goods and services directly, bypassing the need for cash. Social media platforms have become virtual marketplaces, connecting people looking to trade everything from clothing and electronics to haircuts and language lessons. This informal economy has become an essential part of daily life, allowing people to access goods and services they would otherwise be unable to afford. It is a testament to their ingenuity and their determination to overcome adversity. Number 5. Venezuelans have shown remarkable resilience and resourcefulness in adapting to their challenging circumstances. They have learned to repair old appliances instead of buying new ones, grow their own food in urban gardens, and find creative ways to generate income.
We have had to become resourceful. We can't just sit around and wait for things to get better. We have to find ways to create our own opportunities.
Number 6. The importance of family and community. Family and community play a pivotal role in Venezuelan society, providing a crucial support system in times of hardship. Extended families often live together, sharing resources and providing emotional support. Neighbors help each other out, sharing food, childcare, and other forms of assistance.
We may not have much, says Carmen, an elderly woman who relies on the support of her neighbors. But we have each other, and that is what matters most.
Number 7. A tapestry of traditions. Despite the challenges they face, Venezuelans have not abandoned their rich cultural traditions. Music, dance, and festivals continue to be an integral part of their lives, offering moments of joy and respite from daily struggles. From the vibrant rhythms of salsa and merengue to the colorful costumes of traditional dances, Venezuelan culture is a celebration of life, resilience, and the indomitable human spirit. Number 8. The rhythm of resistance. Venezuelans are not passive victims of their circumstances. They have taken to the streets on numerous occasions to demand change, expressing their frustrations through peaceful protests and artistic expressions. Despite facing repression and intimidation, They continue to raise their voices, demanding a better future for themselves and their children. Number 9. Looking towards a brighter future. The situation in Venezuela remains complex and uncertain. The country has faced numerous challenges over the years, from economic instability to political turmoil. The streets of Caracas tell a story of resilience and struggle, where every day is a testament to the enduring spirit of its people. Despite the hardships, the Venezuelan economy continues to function, albeit under strain, with people finding ways to adapt and survive. However, amidst the hardships, there is a glimmer of hope. The sunlight breaking through the clouds symbolizes the potential for a new dawn. Children playing in parks remind us of the innocence and joy that still exists, even in difficult times. Candlelight vigils held across the country are a powerful reminder of the collective hope and solidarity among the Venezuelan people. The Venezuelan people have not given up on their dreams of a better future. The smile of a young girl holding the national flag is a symbol of the enduring hope and pride that runs deep within the nation. Community meetings and family gatherings showcase the strong social bonds and the collective effort to envision and work towards a brighter future. They continue to strive for a brighter tomorrow, drawing strength from their resilience, their cultural heritage, and their unwavering belief in the power of the human spirit. Traditional dance performances and the work of local artisans highlight the rich cultural heritage that provides a sense of identity and continuity. The Venezuelan flag waving in the wind is a powerful symbol of national pride and the collective aspiration for a better future. The road ahead may be long and arduous, but the Venezuelan people have shown time and again that they are capable of overcoming even the most daunting challenges. Peaceful protests demonstrate their commitment to change and justice. Farmers working in fields and community rebuilding efforts are testaments to their hard work and determination. Together, they are laying the foundation for a future where hope and prosperity can flourish. The journey is far from over, but with unity, resilience, and an unwavering spirit, the Venezuelan people continue to look towards a brighter future.